Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one simple web page in Java, and I hope you'll be also enjoying this video and this project also, like enjoying my all the previous projects of Java and all the previous videos which I have just uploaded of Java yet. So just you can also check my all the previous video which I have uploaded. But before that, if you are just new here and watching this video for the first time, so please, if it is helpful for you, so please hit a like button, and also just if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and after it also share the video with your friends if it is helpful for you, so they can also learn this programming tips and tricks and also land for a job and learn this programming languages, because that will be just really helpful for them also and for you also in future. So just this project will be of simple web page. So this project is not like a really big project which we have just made previously on. So this project will be just only the simple project which we'll be just building. We'll be only writing the text here, because I want to show you like how you can write text in Java and what are the simple things which you can make with Java. So these are will be just really helpful things for you, and I hope you enjoy that. So just if you are enjoying, so please just you can also check my all the previous videos which I have just uploaded of like the Django and Python, which I have just uploaded the series of that. Then you can also check my all the previous videos of JavaScript which I have uploaded, and all the previous videos of React.js which I have uploaded, because in that I have made many of the clones and many of things which are really helpful for a beginner if they want to just learn that all things here there. So it will be just really helpful for them. So I hope you understand these all things, and I hope you enjoy this video also. So just now we'll be starting with our project, but I will be giving all the links at the top, so you can check all the videos on the I button. I am giving the link, you can check that. So just now we will be starting with our project. So just like I've telling you, we will be building a simple web page here in Java, which will be just really helpful for you. So you can just start with this project here, but you can also check my beginner series, because that are also really helpful for you. Then you can move to intermediate. So just if I open my project here and show you the simple web page which I have just made here, so you can see that there it is, our simple web page which we are just getting. So this is the simple web page which we are getting here. Like we are getting the home section here, then we are getting processing, garments, line, and then many other things we are getting here. You can see, you can say the navbar, but we have not put that here, because in Java you can just not settle that like that. We have only put at the side here, because in previous videos also we have just only make at the sidebar thing. So because of that I have managed that all things in the sidebar here, you can see. So here we are just getting that all things. Now you can also select paste search here. Then if I move down, I put an image here, and then I put some of the text. You can also just put any of your text here. You can just put your name or any of like your self information or anything like that. And if I just move down, you will be getting many of like things like images, and these all like paragraphs and everything like that. So you will be one getting loading button also, which is just looking really good here. We have just built with Java. If I move and scroll at the top, you will be getting the same things here also, like we are just getting. And these all things will be just really helpful for a beginner if they want to cover that and build that. So just I hope you will be enjoying this video. So just first, for starting this project, you have to just open your VS Code here, means Visual Studio Code, which is a full form of that. So you can just install that from Google, like in previous video I've also telling you like from where you can install. You can just write VS Code at the Google Chrome, and the first link will be appearing of VS Code download, so you can install that. It is really easy to install, not a big deal. You will be getting many of the option of like Mac, iOS, or you can also install that for like for Linux also, if you are doing well with that. So just simply I'll be opening my VS Code here. You can see my VS Code has been just opened. So I've opened my previous file in which I have just done my previous video. You can see text.js. So simply I'll be working in this video. Just I'll be raising some of the codes here and moving with new codes. So here we will be just getting that all things. So here we are just getting text.js and all the things like that. So save this file from here. And if you want to save this file, you can press file and move to save as to save this file by writing text.js, or you can save with any other name you want to save your Java file here. So I will be just moving, and just I'll be writing a div tag here. So write here div last name here. Then I will be writing JSX, which is a like Java, you can say Java and JavaScript backend library which we used here. So we are just writing JSX, because JSX will be just really useful here for building our loading section at the end, which we have just built here. So I will be just now doing one thing. I'll be not making curly bracket here, because it is a div tag, and I will be writing all the things in this div tag. So here I will be moving down now. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like nominal. Then just you have to write here type equals to vcache. So here it will be recatching our all the type which we have just put here in our sidebar menu and all the data which we have just put in our server. So here I'll be moving and then I'll be writing nominal, which I'll be writing type and recatching my data here. So just write dot recatch, means if it is happen any of like any of like thing like that, so it will be just catching our data automatically. We don't have to just put any other tag to just catch our data here. Then I will be making a tag which will be like number map. Then here I will be making this columns here again, then writing a tag which will be like outline. So this outline I have written because here we have to just put some of the like outline things, means not the outline which we just put with color or anything like that, just only the outline, means outline text we'll be just putting here on our sidebar. So here I'll be writing number dot map, and then I'll be writing dot outline. Here I'll be closing this tag now. Then I will be moving down and here I'll be just writing a tag which will be just like here string. Then I'll be writing mode here. Then I will be making use frame. So here after this tag which we have written here, like same things here, three things which we have just put. Now when you just put that all things here, I will be just moving at the back, so just you have to close this tag. Here I will be now making the same tag, like previously on we have just built the sidebar tag there, so here also we'll be just putting the sidebar tag. Just the first thing should be different here, like I'll be writing suspense, then right here sidebar equals to, and then you have to just make that to like sidebar, because we are just building a sidebar, and here I will be now writing list equals to sidebar, because we have just put list and in that I am just putting sidebar here in our class name. So here we will be just getting our sidebar things. Here we are, I have make my curly bracket. Now I will be writing that all things here, so I can just get my sidebar perfectly at the left side. So here I will be doing one thing, I will be writing suspense dot list dot sidebar. Here I will be just moving forward and then I will be moving down. Here I will be just making a tag which will be like version. So here I will be writing and then I will be writing quality, because I want to check that all things like what version and quality we are getting of our this you can say this Java which we are just working with, so we can understand like this will be just quality of our text which we'll be writing, and this should be our font which should be at the end side. So here I will be now making a tag here which should be same as that is div, because we are defining in this class name all the things, so because of that I am defining this div tag, so I can just define that all things in this version quality here, because we are defining Java thing, and when we are defining Java thing, so we have to define the class. So you can write your class name also, and you can write div, it's your choice what you write. So both things are just really just both things are correct, you can write anything here. So here I'll be writing version, then you have to just write here dot quality, same thing here. So I've just written and same spelling. So here you have to do and write div here again. So we have just put that all things, and now all the things will be just coming in div tag here. Then I will be moving down here and just I'll be writing a tag here which should be just like here component. So just write here component, and then I'll be writing here after that like a tag which should be like website, and then in that I will be writing web page. So just make a web page tag here. Here I will be closing this and making this curly bracket in which I will be writing component, and here I will be just writing dot website. Here I will be writing dot web page. Then I will be closing this tag here, saving this file from here by pressing save. You can also press Ctrl S like I'm telling you, which is a short form of that. Here I will be now defining my render tag again, so I can render my thing which I am just rendering. So here right here render Java, because in Java we are rendering that, and right here rendering. Then I will be closing this and I will be writing a render tag dot java. Then you have to just write a rendering tag here also, so we can understand we are rendering this with the help of Java, not with the help of React or JavaScript. So here when you've done with that all things, here I will be now moving down. Then when you've done that, just write the last tag which should be just like here pure. Then you have to write here pic. You can also write picture, which is a full form of that. You can write pic because it will be waste of time if we write full form of that. So here I will be now writing text, which is our file name, so we can define this is our file in which we are writing all the codes. Then I will be writing frame.pure, then I will be writing .text. So close this tag, and here you have to do one thing, just copy 4 tags at the end, because these are the tags which we have to just again and again just copy it and pasting that, so we can just getting our data at the starting, because we are just getting that all things many of times. So you can see we have done that. Only just save this file from here, and if I just show you in Google Notes, our project should be just ready, our simple web page which we have just made here. So you can see that here we have just ready with our simple web page which we are getting home textile and all the things like that. We are getting the home section, profile section, governance, and all the things which we are just getting in our demo section. And if I just scroll down, we are also getting the smooth scroll effect here. And if I scroll down, you can see our images is also coming. You can change your images into another images if you want to do, but I've just put some of these images like previously I've put. You can also put any other images here. Then with the help of JSX, which is a library, here we are getting our loading section. Then we are getting these images which are just looking really cool, you can see. So this is simple project which we have made of web page. You can see that which is just looking really good. We are getting all the sidebar things. So these are some of the things which are really helpful for you. I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project like you enjoyed my previous projects of Java which I have just uploaded yet. So if you have enjoyed that, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, not subscribed yet, so please subscribe on my channel, and after that also hit the notification bell from which you'll be getting all the notifications of my video. And also just share the video with your friends and family members so they can also learn this programming languages there. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you have just enjoyed, so please subscribe, because it will be give motivation to me to do more hard work and to make these more videos for you, and it will be just really helpful for you, I hope. So you can check my previous courses which I have just uploaded yet of React, JavaScript, and I will be soon uploading Java tutorial also, which will be just really helpful for you. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.